land this ball. Boom! Alright, and our games on Sunday. Go and watch the games live in the arena. 2 p.m. it's FTU going up against Lyceum. At 4 p.m. it's San Sebastian going up against Ateneo. And of course, the third member of our panel, Miakalim, has a report.
Thanks, Ian. Well, you know what I like about these both teams is that they don't settle for mediocrity. Kagaya na nga ng sabi nito ni Coach Charo Soriano, di ba? Wala daw silang room for complacency in today's game, most especially after that Lyceum game, which was too close of a call daw. Sabi niya, bawal daw ang pumikit dito sa game na to. Dahil daw dun sa last game na yun, what gave them a hard time was them to get another point back after all their errors. Kaya naman daw, dapat in today's game, sabi niya doon sa girls niya, wag daw sila masyadong mabait. They have to start to being aggressive. And of course, they have to have that killer instinct, which will be a big factor for them in today's game. And for Southwestern University coach Jordan Faca, sabi niya, kung bawal sila pumikit, bawal din kami pumikit. So walang pikitan today, guys. Sabi niya na admittedly, mataas daw ang kumpiyansa ng team nila after beating San Sebastian. And i-remind yung girls niya na pumunta daw sila dito para sa laro and nothing else. Ang magiging problema lang daw nila dito today is yung adjustment dito sa condition ng venue dahil para nga daw silang diesel, matagal daw sila uminot. So sabi nila kung may heater daw kahit saan, kung mag-jack sila kung kailangan, gawin na daw nila para daw makapag-adjust sila sa game today, guys.
Thank you, Miaka. And oo nga naman, because these provincial teams, they would want to get all the learnings when they come over every summer to compete with the champion of the different Manila teams.
That's right.
Manila tournaments. And ano yun, opportunity. You cannot waste that. So gusto mo, kung pwede lang, mas maraming games as possible. For you to do that, you have to win.
That's right. And these two teams have the same thing in mind right now, no? Talagang they want to take this game seriously. Sabi nga ni Miaka, bawal pumikit.
Pag pumikit, tatamaan ng bola.
Hindi lang yun. And I guess the best thing for them to do is, get toothpicks. Stick it up their eyelids.
Nahahawa ka na kay Barry.
See what happens. Pag mapapikit nyo pa yung yan, ewan ko na.
Ay, nako, Doc.
11-7, Ateneo, after that error from Patrombon. Patnongon, sorry.
Parang tennis player yata yan. Anong basa mo eh.
I think,
but the champion,
of course,
nonetheless.
Well, current events, I get mixed up with these events. All of the time.
Well, syempre naman, we're very proud of that guy.
That's right. They gave up 2 points right now and 3 as we speak. So, the lead got down to only 2 points.
Well, Valdez now 3 attack points of 4 attempts, 75%.
Great play for Cassini, but they are Southwestern not able to get that second touch.
Why? Because they've been bombarded with really powerful hits.
Boom.
From the right and from the left. Ang di na lang natin nakikita masyado yung middle hit. Quick hits coming from Ateneo.
Nice serve from Valdez.
That was dug up well. That's Pasinio for SWU.
Nice play.
From the middle, that was Bakiro, Danily Bakiro of Southwestern.
But there wasn't any touch, so
yes,
it's
that goes out.
Hit and it went straight outside. 5-point lead for Ateneo. We'd like to thank Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Thank you, Axel.
Chance for Ateneo for a free ball that they over-received the first ball. That goes long.
Now you get to see how tough this Ateneo squad defensively is.
Yeah.
Because they're making SW. Yeah, they're making SW right now change their spikes, their hits. And
even the angle of their spikes.
So nakakadalawang straight na outside na palo na itong SW. Now they get blocked. The setter is blocked. And
Lino trying to go for a dump, but that was well read by Cassini.
Wow, Cassini is just a threat right there in the middle.
Just a threat, period.
Oh, and she's so intimidating.
Wherever she is.
She's so intimidating. There you go.
Ken.
Single block.
One more try, and that DNA, they Pido changed the angle and sends it long.
That's right, 16-8, and what a run here for Ateneo. 16-8. We'll be right back.